Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to debug Apex code in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So there is many tips or techniques that you can use to start debugging your code in Salesforce. And basically, first thing first, you will need just to open your developer console so you can see your code. And from here, we can see this Salesforce guide so we can be able to see and debug our code. So from here, we need just to go back to our developer console and we can see that one of the techniques that you can use is to set some checkpoints in your Apex code. And basically, you can have a code, and let's just, for example, open from classes, and we can find any class, and from here, you can find this class. And basically, when you click here on these lines, so basically, you are adding checkpoints. And basically, checkpoints will run the code only to this level. And basically, it will start by this uh, line, for example, and then it will go here and it will stop until you go uh, and start going to the next checkpoints. And basically now, after you use the checkpoints, you will need just to execute the code with the developer console open. And after that, you will need just to clear the checkpoints locations. So basically here, you will find uh, the open and you can start calling for your class as we did. And after that, and you can start going to the checkpoints, and from here you can either edit properties, for example, and start adding some action scripts or adding some SOQL code or adding another SQL Apex code inside each for example checkpoints, so you can just test and debug where the problem in the code is. Also, you can go to the tests so you can test your code, or you can also debug your code and execute the last, which would be this one. So from here, this is your class here, and basically you can open it and execute the code, depends on the checkpoints, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.